How's it going, everybody? I'm a typical rug. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm joined by Dog Bubba, and today we have another video about a weird military vehicle known as the A.R.E.S. The A.R.E.S, or the Aerial Reconfigurable Embedded System. The A.R.E.S was a concept for an unmanned VTOL flight model that can transport various payloads. The concept originally started as the TX Transformer in 2009, a terrain-independent transportation system centered on ground vehicles that could be configured into a VTOL aircraft vehicle that could carry up to 4 troops. Its primary objective was the same as the TX, which was to use flight to avoid ground-based transportation threats like ambushes and IEDs. It was to be powered by twin tilting ducted fans and have its own power system, fuel, and digital flight controls. The flight module would have different detachable mission modules for specific purposes, including cargo delivery, case vac, and ISR, and up to 3,000 pounds of payload would be carried by a module. This project would later be In 2019, DARPA canceled the project, and it would later be transformed into a project that is now currently ongoing and being rebooted by the U.S. government called the Flying Humvee. It's said to have a minimum combat range of 250 nautical miles on a single tank of fuel. And it has already been stated that the Marines, Air Force, Special Forces, and National Guard have stated interest in the vehicle. And it is been noted that Marines have used the Transformer as a tool for the enhanced company operations concept. The Marines stated that they would use the vehicle for amphibious assaults and potentially eliminate the need for amphibious vehicles, which are vulnerable to shore defenses and limited by their low speeds. Special Ops would like to use this vehicle to send unmanned resupply to special operators and then allow them to use that vehicle. The VTOL was to be lightly armored and required only small arms fire. Oh, and it was rated only to handle small arms fire. But its VTOL capability gave it the ability to avoid threats. It has been noted that a Russian counterpart is in the works, but there's no documentation on it other than a slight thread by an article of Russia's government where it notes that it is to be developed by 2030. But yeah, no, just something that I found while I was looking at all those new gadgets that got unveiled at the tech. It's like the Tech E3. I don't know what it's called, but they revealed a lot of drone technology specifically, which I will be doing some videos on. But it's just really cool to see how quickly all the military technology is progressing. Unfortunately, it does lead to innocent people dying most of the time, but it is very cool to see the technology separating those two. Well, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, and until next time.